Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Surfshark versus ProtonVPN. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're trying to choose between Surfshark and ProtonVPN, you're looking at the two absolute titans that protect your data with completely different strategies here. Let's look at Surfshark first. Now, because it's the ultimate champion of hassle flexibility. Now, its absolute superpower here is giving you completely unlimited simultaneous connections. Now, meaning you can protect every single phone, laptop, and smart TV in your house under one single subscription. Now, Surfshark here runs a highly optimized network of over 4,500 servers and uses its proprietary DAOSO protocol here to deliver blazing fast speeds, making it a total piece at effortlessly unblocking streaming sites like Netflix. It also includes awesome beginner tools like Alternative ID, which instantly creates a burner persona and mass email for sketchy website signups. Now, it is incredibly cheap if you commit to a long-term plan, though it is based in the Netherlands under EU jurisdiction. So even if their no logs policy is strict and independently audited. Now let's switch over to ProtonVPN. Now they take completely different route by focusing on hardcore open source privacy. Now in this case, this one is based in Switzerland, so which has some of the strictest data protection laws on the planet. Now Proton publishes all their app code completely publicly, so independent experts can constantly inspect it for security flaws. Now they run a massive global fleet of over 20,000 servers and are famous for offering a genuine great free plan with unlimited data. Then you upgrade, or when you upgrade to their paid tier here, you get access to elite features like Secure Core, which physically routes your internet traffic through hyper-secure underground military bunkers in privacy-friendly countries before it ever hits the public web. Now, it caps your connection at 10 devices and costs a bit more than Surfshark, but you are buying maximum transparency here. Now, ultimately, it just comes down to your personal priorities. Now, if you want a budget-friendly powerhouse to cover your whole family and stream seamlessly here, grab Surfshark. But if you are a privacy purist here who values open source code and Swiss legal protection above everything else, well, ProtonVPN is definitely a pick that you may want to look out for. But that's about it. If you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.